pressure superheated gas will cool down. Okay, once it is cooled down, what happens? What is the main process of condensation? It will convert the gas into liquid. Okay, gas into liquid. If you want to see the condensation in a real time example, see if you you pour a hot water into the vessel. Okay, close the vessel, it will lid. Okay, once you after 5 minutes, if you open the water happens? Droplets of the water, because that particular lid act as a condenser. Because one side of the lid is one side of the lid is exposed to the outside temperature. The other side of the lid is exposed to the vessel. The steam is coming out. Okay, so the steam which is touching the lid will convert into the water droplets, which because it will give away the heat to the lid on the other side. Okay, நம்ம பிளேட் வச்சு இப்படி மூடி இருக்கோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. மூடி இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா இங்கே வர ஸ்டீமில் இருக்கிற இந்த ஸ்டீம் வந்து ஹீட் இது கொடுத்து லிக்விட் ஆகும். Okay, it will give the heat to the lid and it will convert to the water droplets. This heat is again transferred to the upper side of the lid. So when it is exposed to the open atmosphere, this heat will transfer to the open air. Okay, so this acts as a condenser. The same way, this high pressure superheated gas is converted into, is condensed and it becomes liquid refrigerant. Okay, but it is now also it is in high pressure area. Okay, then we are going into the expansion valve. This expansion valve will reduce the pressure of the liquid refrigerant. Okay, then it is again taken to the evaporator. Then this process continues. See now in the starting I said it is 30 degree Celsius. The average temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. For one cycle it convert to, after 5 minutes it convert to 25 degree. If you keep on keeping this apple inside the refrigeration, this 25 degree, this 30 degree will come to the 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Okay. So this cycle is due to this refrigeration cycle will reduce the pressure. Will reduce the temperature of the given food substance. Okay, this is the vapor compressor system which is predominantly used in the refrigerations where we are using now in our home, and that too it is also mainly used in the in malls or in supermarkets to store the food items. Okay, this is the latest technology or the latest refrigeration system which is used in the vapor compression. The one thing what you have to note is that we have several refrigerants. See, these are the design properties of refrigerants which is used in the refrigerators like R13, R13A, R12. Okay, previously we were using ammonia. Okay, older days we were using ammonia as a refrigerant. Okay, then we have eradicated, which because once ammonia is getting leaked out, it has some foul smell, right? So that will goes into our food particles, and that will, this is very harmful to our for our consumption also. So from ammonia, now we are going to halocarbons. Okay, that is refrigerations are R13A, 12, 13, 14 and all. Okay. So this is the refrigerant. Now we are going to see air conditioning. Okay. So here in air conditioning also we are going to supply the same chillness, right? In refrigeration it's a closed space. We are going to remove the heat. Here we are not going to remove any heat. Instead we are going to supply the chillness, cold air, or in other ways we can say we are going to condition the air which is available in the room. We are going to condition the air with some the air conditioning or the conditioning of a room air happens only when the circulation happens. See, if the air is not circulating inside a room, okay, it will make us to feel dull, or we keep on breathing the same air inside the room. Once it is circulated, we can have a fresh air, and that too the humidity or the other moisture content in the air will keep on changing. Okay, so that is where we are going to conditioning the air. We are going to condition the air which is coming inside our room or which is already available in our room. Okay, so in that manner we are going to say it's air conditioning where we are going to have the control the temperature. Means that if it is room temperature is about 30 degrees Celsius, we feel hotness, right? So we are going to reduce the temperature to 24 degrees or 23 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then humidity, okay, then we are going to have air circulation. If AC is on, you can see the air will circulate eventually, right? From air circulation and also cleanliness of air. Okay, within an enclosed space. We can't have a big area or a very large area like a playground or something like that. Have it in this. For air conditioning, we can take only a small enclosed area. Enclosed area means it has to be closed in all the sides, right? For open space, we can't do any air conditioning. Okay, for the closed space only, we are going to do air conditioning. See, these are the uses as we already discussed in the class. The first thing is that so air conditioning, we mainly in our daily life we are going to see three types of air conditioning. First one is window air conditioning. I will show this diagram, it will be more easy for you. You can see, right? This is window air conditioning. This is split air conditioning. Window AC, split AC. Okay. In window AC, see, in older days we are going to see we have seen window ACs in apartments, right? In apartments, bigger apartments or residential apartments, you can see window AC where the wall is cut in this area and the full stretch air conditioner is fitted on it. Okay, in a window seat. Here, see, here the air from the room temperature room is taken inside. So here is an air filter. This air filter will filter the air and it will so at the same time this fan will get rotated. This fan will take this air and it will send this air through this openings. Okay, before entering into the opening, before entering into this window AC